Hello friends, welcome to my channel Agro Rahul. Today we will discuss about DNA replication, which is a part of genetics. Genetics play an important role in agriculture for making hybrids and seed multiplications and many other steps, which we will learn in detail in further videos. So today we will start DNA replication. So let's start. The replication of DNA begins with the sequence of nucleotide is called the origin of replication. Helices unwind the double strand DNA helix. And single strand binding protein react with the single strand regions of the DNA and stabilized it. DNA polymerase III, the major enzyme involved in DNA replication. DNA polymerase III can only add nucleotide to the 3' end of pre-existing chain of nucleotides, and it cannot initiate a nucleotide chain. Therefore, the RNA polymerase called the primase construct a RNA primer sequence of 10 nucleotides complementary to the pair of DNA. DNA polymerase III can then add to deoxyribonucleotides to synthesize the new complementary strand of DNA. Because the two parent strands of DNA are antiparallel and they are oriented in opposite directions and must therefore elongated by different mechanisms. The leading strand elongates towards the replication fork by adding nucleotides continuously to its growing 3' end. In contrast, the lagging strand, which elongates away from the replication fork, is synthesized discontinuously as a series of short segments called Okazaki fragments. When DNA polymerase III reaches the RNA primer on the lagging strand, it is replaced by DNA polymerase I, which removes the RNA and replaces it with DNA. DNA ligase then attaches and forms phosphodiester bonds. The DNA is further unwound, new primers are made, and DNA polymerase III jumps ahead to begin synthesizing another Okazaki fragment. For simplicity, the DNA polymerase III has been depicted as separate unit on the leading strand and the other acting on the lagging strand. The current view of DNA polymerase III is the two subunits that functions together with the DNA. The lagging strand fold to allow the diametric DNA polymerase molecule to replicate both strands of the parallel DNA duplex. You can go ahead. Thank you for watching this.